Go beyond protecting your PDFs with just passwords in your Adobe Acrobat desktop app with Microsoft Sensitivity Labels. Control who can access documents with sensitive information with just a few clicks. Open your Adobe Acrobat desktop app and go to the Protect tool. Then, click on the Select a Microsoft Sensitivity Label action in Acrobat. This will bring up a list of labels already configured in the Microsoft Purview Compliance portal. Keeping labels consistent across your Microsoft Office apps and Acrobat. In addition to access controls, sensitivity labels can also contain visual watermarks, like headers and footers. If you ever need to adjust a sensitivity label, click the Update Label action in Acrobat and select from the available options or add custom permissions for just a few trusted users, groups, or domains, each with their own unique access rights. Labels can be further customized by clicking on the 3 dots icon. This will give you more options, like setting an expiration date for a file, or adding additional access rights, such as copying or printing a file. Acrobat honors sensitivity label policies, like default labeling and mandatory labeling, to provide comprehensive information protection labeling support natively. And since this Microsoft Purview Information Protection feature is included in your Acrobat installer, there is no need for you to download and install separate plugins. Mitigate risk by protecting sensitive data stored in PDFs with Adobe Acrobat and make the modern, secure, connected workplace a reality.